Imagine this, any question you have, math, history, coding, business, your phone answers it instantly, like a personal teacher living inside your pocket. No waiting, no searching, just pure knowledge whenever you need it. Sounds? Yes, impossible. Not anymore. There's an app called Perplexity AI. You ask anything and it gives answer with sources, examples and explanations. The more you use it, the smarter it feels. Students, freelancers, job seekers, everyone is using it to learn faster than ever. And trust me, the people who learn the fastest in 2025 are the one who win, are the ones who win. If you want more powerful app discoveries, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, Guidezen. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.